She didn't say yes because you looked hot or had a six-pack. She didn't say yes because you wore expensive cologne, drove a fast car, or dropped smooth one-liners you saw on TikTok.
I couldn't help it.
She said yes because something deeper, almost invisible, clicked inside her. And no, it wasn't just about attraction, it was about emotional safety. You see, most guys have it all wrong. They think women make that decision in a flash, 30 seconds in, based on your looks, your swagger, or how confident you act. But the truth is, for most women, sleeping with a man isn't a moment, it's a process, a slow-burning series of emotional checkpoints, almost like invisible doors. And each of those doors requires a different key. The first door, safety. She's scanning. Does this man feel safe to be around? Not fake nice or overconfident, but genuinely grounded? Is he calm, respectful, non-threatening? Because if her body doesn't relax around you, nothing else matters. The second door, presence. Is he actually here with me? Not staring at my chest or planning his next sentence, but truly listening. Because women are intuitive. They feel when you're not really seeing them. The third door, trust. And this is the big one. She's thinking, maybe not in words, but in emotion. Can I trust this guy with my body and my feelings? Will he disappear afterward? Will he respect me in the morning? Or will he brag about this to his friends? If that door doesn't unlock, she shuts the whole house down. The fourth door, dual desire. Most guys either make her feel emotionally connected or physically wanted, but very few do both. The magic happens when she feels safe and sexy. Like she can laugh with you, cry with you, and still want to rip your shirt off. That's rare, that's intimate. That's what sparks true yes. And the final door, freedom. You don't rush it, you don't pressure, you don't ask, so, are we gonna number? You create space, and then you step back. You let her feel like she's walking through those doors on her own. That's when the decision flips from maybe to hell yes. Not because you manipulated her, not because you gamed her, but because you showed up as the kind of man whose presence, energy, and intention made her want to be close. So what most guys get wrong? They chase the yes with tactics, pickup lines, fake confidence, forced flirting. But real seduction, it's not something you do to her. It's the emotional environment you build around her. A woman says yes with her entire being, when her body, her mind, and her gut all feel aligned. And when those parts of her whisper, he's safe, he's real, he sees me, he turns me on, and I choose this. That's when the real intimacy begins. So stop chasing her body. Start creating the feeling that makes her offer it to you with zero hesitation. Because in the end, a woman doesn't sleep with you because of what you say. She does it because of how you make her feel. And that feeling, that's the only yes that ever mattered.
Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I have a link in the description box, my WhatsApp channel link. You can join, and from there you can recover your mind, yourself, your body, or your mentality.